Hey, Cole again with Interteam Marketing. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to set your locations to target only people in your location. You would think that this would be the default setting in Microsoft Ads, but it is not. The default setting is to target people who are in your location or searching for it. Here's how you set your campaigns to target only people in your location. So first of all, go into Ads Editor because it's so much easier. Go into highlight all of your campaigns. Under Campaign, make sure targeting method is set to target only people in my target location. But Bing, unlike Google, has another area where you have to look for this. That is the ad group level as well. So go to your ad group listing, highlight all of your ad groups, and scroll down here to targeting method, show ads to people in my target location. Once you've done that, go ahead and go up here to post, and then all campaigns. And that's it. This is really important that you check this periodically. Some of the settings on the import will automatically switch this setting back to searching for or in my target location. So after you do an import, you should review to make sure this setting has not been re-enabled. I believe it's also enabled by default when an ad group is created. So important that you check it then as well. Cheers. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.